Okay guys, this is a demonstration on how to load and unload your machine. To load your machine or even unload, go to your library. You got your formulas here. Choose whichever formula you want by pushing on the keypad here. When you choose your formula you want, press the start button. It's going to give you the options to open the door, close the door, tilt it. Well, the door is closed, so press the open button. It'll start beeping at you. Door air cushion exhaust. You'll see it flashing. It takes about 15 seconds for the airbags to release, the pin to go in, and then to start opening the door. Once the door is open all the way, it'll say door open and it'll stop beeping. You can load your linen in at that moment. Or if you're going to unload linen, you can tilt it forwards by pushing the tilt button to help you unload. The machine will begin to raise up. When the machine gets into place, it'll stop beeping. Then you can push your CW button to rotate the drum. When you get your card in place for the linen, it'll light up. It'll spin one way 2 seconds, spin the other way 2 seconds. When you get your linen out, press the CW button until it goes off. Press the tilt button to let it go backwards. It'll start beeping again. It'll say tilting back. The machine's going back to its position. Once it's back into its position, it'll stop beeping. The door open. All you gotta do is push your closed door. The door will close. Once the door closes, you got to give it a second for the pin to go in, the airbags to air up. It'll stop beeping. It'll say door locked. And then you just press your start button and it's ready to go.